Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Happy Friday, getting ready for the weekend. Hot and toasty down here in Southern California, but we can never complain about our weather. What we have here is a vintage payphone. What the past owner did with it is basically took out the coin mechanism out of it, and it now operates like a regular phone that can be hooked up to your home. So it's got the cords in the back, but this is something that, my kids don't even know what it is. Being 14 and 16-year-olds, they couldn't even believe that they would stick their mouse on this dirty phone in the public the other day. But it's something that some of us can relate to. It's a time that's come and gone. I think it's from a good standpoint. But again, so if you're looking for something kind of cool for your shop, your store, or your home that will look vintage but work like a regular phone, this is probably for you then.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.